Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to Delta Rules. In today's video, we got more unusual options activity. Now, guys, remember the information presented by Delta Rules and myself is for educational purposes only. Trading stocks and options involve risks that are not suitable for all investors. Please make sure to always do your own due diligence. Now, guys, if you ended up on this video and you don't know anything about options trading, I do have 3 courses down below that will teach you about options from top to bottom, as well as a video showing you how to set up a scanner on Thinkorswim for unusual options activity. Having said that, the first stock that we're going to go into today is going to be Roblox, and that is RBLX. And there has been quite a bit of hype behind this stock. Looking at the chart, this is a 30-day, 30-minute chart. We could tell that it has been kind of consolidating ever since it came out. Consolidated, volume had been coming down, and now it's actually picking up a little bit on here. Now, it actually just broke those a little bit of a previous resistance level in there, and the chain is kind of telling us something here. Sorry about that, guys. The chain is kind of telling us something here, and look at this. There's a lot of call buying. Even with the little run up that it has had today, there's still a lot of call buying on this stock. So there is specifically on the short-term dated options. If you guys take a look at the 30th of April, we come down here and we can see that there's quite a bit of buying on here, specifically on the out of the money options on here. So this is definitely aggressive. This is pretty much telling me that someone with a lot of money is thinking that this stock will go up and will not stop going up, because they have been buying aggressively when it comes down to this, because there's already open interest on there. I don't see anyone shorting those calls. I just don't see it, specifically Roblox right now, that it has so much hype behind it. So this is definitely something I'm looking at. This is definitely something I'm gonna keep my eye on. Volatility, let me take a look. Okay, so yeah, it doesn't really have any history of it because it's fairly new to the public market. So implied volatility is at 89 right now. I would say it's a little high simply because of the amount of people that are behind the stock trying to actually get in. So that is the first one that I have. The second one that I have for you guys is actually going to be TME. And this is actually Tencent Music Entertainment Group, and they are in the business of online music entertainment. So once again, guys, make sure to always do your own due diligence. If you want to get into a stock that I talk about, make sure to always do your own research. Now, looking at this stock, you guys know I love the today option statistics. I could see that 52% of the calls were purchased at the ask price. So coming down here, we could tell that someone got out short-term dated options. And in this situation, they got out. It looks like they got out at 3 cents, but there's more people buying calls on here, and these are big orders. They're cheap options, however, they are big orders on here. Coming down, we can see more green and more green and more green. This is actually something that I have not just been seeing today. This is actually something that I've been seeing for the past couple of days or so. So this is definitely something I'm looking at. This is definitely something I'm going to be looking at for the future. I like where it's at. Volatility, let me actually take a look. This is actually looking good. Volatility is not looking too bad. Let me actually take a look at the yearly. So volatility is not looking too bad. It actually looks like it's coming down there. It's pretty much somebody coming in here and aggressively buying the dip. So I'm really like that. I like the option. I like when the option chain does that for us. So this is something I'm definitely looking at. But that is pretty much it. I really appreciate everybody that has been liking, subscribing. I really appreciate you guys. These videos will keep coming. Please keep on liking. Please keep on subscribing. You guys have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there. Love you guys.